Okay. Hopefully she have a spare tire. Wow, this is like a brand new vehicle.
Your destination is on the right.
And I'm wondering, where is the spare tire? Wow, look at that truck. Hi, how you doing? You have a spare tire? Okay. Oh, beautiful, perfect. Yep. Okay. Yeah, most of the new cars sometimes they don't come with spare tires, so.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, this better come for as much as I'm paying for it.
Yeah. Thank God. Okay. Alright, let's put that there. Okay, I think I need
Would you like
to.
me to hold this?
Yes, basically, can I take this out of here?
Yes. Let me put it.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Thank you so much. Alright. I'm gonna check they have the right air pressure. I'll be right back. PSI. 34 PSI. Drive like mania. Got the special key for the tires?
I think something is in there, yeah.
Okay.
No?
hopefully.
What's in there?
I don't know if she shouldn't be there.
What's in there?
No, it's not that. Maybe you don't know if in your glove compartment or something you have like a little piece of metal. It's like this big and round. It is for this. Look, for that special key.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, it's not here. No, it's, I think it's supposed to be like in here.
What's this?
No, this is part of this. This is part of that.
Oh, it doesn't really take the.
That's only for lifting the jack, your factory
Oh.
jack.
This too?
No. No, it's not there. I'm gonna see what I can do.
And those are not? This is not it?
No, that's not it. That's for towing.
Okay.
Let me check what I can do. Whew. This turned into a challenge now. Oh, I think that, yep, perfect, yes. Oh, yeah. Save this. That's what I need right there. Thanks God that she found that because the vehicle is in park and you have the e-brake on and it's on park.
It's on the park. Yes, I don't have the brake on, but I can put it.
Yeah, can you please put it?
Can you step out of the car?
What was that?
Do you want my mom to?
No, you're fine. Be careful there. I think it's
Park that way. Gotta push.
yeah, you're fine. Don't worry about it. I'll be right back. Ah, yeah. Dame esto. look, a spider.
Spider. What happened to it? I think I drove over something very sharp.
Yeah. I can't see nothing.
Yeah, I gotta take it too.
Yeah,
check.
yeah, and this tire is not that good already. You see all those cracks? That's not that good.
Yeah, it's very old.
All right. Let me put it right here for now. Don't go over 55 miles an hour and trying to replace it as soon as possible, okay? Where you from? You from Connecticut or you from New York?
No, I'm from New York.
New York, okay. Save my number. I don't know if you travel a lot to this area, but I do roadside assistance 24/7, tire change, fuel delivery, lockout, and jump start.
Oh, I will.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have it on both sides. What's your name?
Josue.
Okay.
Right here.
Oh, okay.
Josue.
That's a good name. Nice name. Not American.
Yeah. My mom got it from the Bible. Rest in peace, her. She got it from the Bible. Because in Spanish it's Josue, in English it's Joshua.
And where is she from?
I'm Puerto Rican. She's Puerto Rican. Yeah, but she passed away in 2014.
I'm so sorry to hear that.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, I can. All right, you all set here. Save that. Dolor de espalda. I might have to get these big holes out. Jesus.
So the back ones should be 41.
41? All right.
The front ones usually are 38.
30, 41, 38? I got you. That one, I don't think is gonna, I don't know if that have tire individually pressurized, but if you got any light or something, it's because probably the spare tire doesn't have a sensor, so it's probably gonna still read that it's in zero.
That's fine.
And you said that this one, the back,
This is 41 usually.
41.
Yeah.
Okay. 35.
That's probably good, yeah.
41.
Thank you.
How did you find me in Google?
On Google.
Yeah, that's good. If you can leave me a review, I will appreciate.
Of course.
5 stars, please.
Yeah, absolutely.
And this 38, right?
It should be 38, yeah.
Okay.
Would be fine. I'm not sure if I may. Yeah, that's fine. Just leave it like
37.6. Okay. This one didn't have the.
I don't have it.
Yeah.
I lost it.
Let me go to the other side. .6 like the other one. This tire is not gonna fit in the original hole. Yeah, so this one is bigger. It's 19. Yep, you all say. How you paying? Cash, card? Cash? Okay.
140. Thank you so much.
You need any change? Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Save my number, okay? Yeah, you can put that back there. Oops. Yep. Make sure when they take that tire out, make sure they put it right back.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah, because I'm gonna sell this vehicle. I've had this since 2019. I think it's time for me to get rid of it.
Okay.
It's giving me a little bit of a problem.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
All right. All right. You're welcome. Have a good day. Done here. Success, tire change.